What up, fam? And welcome back to the vlog. I'm Aiden. I'm Andrew.
I'm Babe.
Before we get to much of it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell when we drop.
Yes, sir. Good videos like these.
That's good, but you gotta make sure you say it loud.
You gotta speak up so they can hear you.
Packages like these.
Yeah.
Good packages like these.
Packages like these.
So today we're opening some packages.
All right.
I think we got.
We're gonna open.
How many packages are you
Four.
opening today?
1, 4.
We got 4.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Where'd you get 4 from, fam?
Yes.
Your count off, fam. You missing 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now it's open down.
So which one do you guys want to open first?
This one. I was just gonna say this one.
Show of hands. Who want to open the big box first?
Me. My hand is higher than Aiden's.
Oh. It's bubble wrap.
It's a bunch of bubble wrap again.
A bunch of bubble.
It's so many.
It's so many.
You got this one? I got all of the bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
Look what we got. Whoa, there's more. Mine. Even there's another package.
Bubble wrap.
Whoa. It's new things. Now you get this. So we got another package.
And look at the pillow.
And we got. I open it.
Hold
Nail.
up to the camera.
Is it? This looks like nail clippers.
It's a nail filer.
My-
Baby nail filer.
I need to open this.
Whoa! What's inside it?
Whoa,
That's just soap.
Yep, for baby bottles.
That's soap for baby bottles. Can we open this?
No.
No.
What's this? I want to open that package.
You gotta show the fam everything that came in the box first.
Look at this, bam.
That's the shower curtain for y'all bathroom.
It's
And
our
that's
shower.
the trash can for y'all bathroom.
This is our trash.
Yep.
Mine doesn't have a 5 on it.
Because it got 5 things in there.
Oh.
Can we open that?
Not yet.
Look at this.
Can I open the next package?
Third.
Take everything out the package, then you can open the next package.
My paper. What's this for?
Oh, it looks like salt. It's kitchen things. It's for baking a cake.
Whoa. Bubble wrap.
Whoa. Fine. We have to show the fam. Look, mommy. Wait, turn it around. I see a cake. Look at the cake.
You gotta show the fam.
It's a batter mixer. Wait, cake? It's a batter mixer. It's lit. It's for making a cake. And first, let's show the fam it. And why do you get to choose the fam?
I gotta open my package.
Yeah.
I can't
And give
open
him
my
that.
package.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah. Whoa, this
No, wait, that's the same paper I have. Yeah. That's all the paper. That's a lot of paper. They get the other thing. Well, it looks like more it's more powder. It's baby powder. Oh. Baby, now you get them out. It's still okay. It can't come out. Nothing else. It's more baby powder. More baby powder. There's 3 of them. Just in case it we went out. Can I open it? Wow. Nope. Open it and see. Be able. It got this. They know. It says that. Wow. They should put it in there. They supposed to put it in a rectangle package. Wow.
Everything doesn't come in a rectangle package, son.
Wow.
Some come in paper packages. And packages with both up on the inside of them.
That one? That's kind of cool. It looks blinking. No, don't whip me. Don't whip me, please don't. Don't whip me. Please don't whip me. Don't whip me. Don't whip me. Please don't. Please don't whip me. No. Don't take it off me. That's my brain. That's my brain. No. That's my brain. Ow. That's my brain. Ah, my brain. It looks like some pair of underwear.
Really?
They're wee-wee.
It looks like a sweatshirt.
That's underwear. I'm gonna take the bubble shirt.
Yeah, that's for your daddy.
It's for daddy. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap.
Open that, show the fan.
And here's my bubble wrap. He whipped it. Here's the sweatshirt, daddy. That's a sweatshirt. Daddy, I just sweatshirt. It doesn't have a zipper. It looks like sweatpants.
That's called a sweatshirt. Sweatshirt doesn't have pockets or a hood. That's called a hoodie.
This one's energy package. Ooh, it catch.
You better get off the table.
Thank you, my bubble wrap. Thank you. Whoa. It's more things for baby. No, it's a baby bath.
Okay, pull it out.
It's just in the bathtub with an elephant. Ooh, let's get it out. Look, fam.
That's to wash hair.
Oh, it's an elephant washer.
Sprinkler.
It's an elephant sprinkler. Show the fam. Show them it.
He said, I gotta see it myself first.
The baby was yucky like that.
Yes, the baby is laughing like that, son.
Yeah. How's the baby acting? Baby is smiling. Oh, that's Alex's. Oh, it's mine's toilet paper and tissue. It's toilet paper and mine's that shorter out.
Hold it up and show the fan. That's for y'all bathroom.
Oh, it's for our bathroom again. So much tissue. We packed tissue.
That's all the packages?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hit the thumbs up and
Good job,
subscribe.
baby. Yep, subscribe and hit the thumbs up.